Smartsheet CRM Review Watch Before Using. Smartsheet CRM Review Watch Before Using. Most people assume CRMs are rigid and complicated, but here's why Smartsheet takes a different approach. It combines flexibility, collaboration, and workflow automation in one platform. Smartsheet is a work execution platform that can be customized to function as a CRM for sales, marketing, and customer management. Unlike traditional CRMs, it allows you to build sheets, forms, and dashboards tailored to your unique business processes. The surprising truth is that customization can save time and reduce friction. You can track leads, monitor follow-ups, assign tasks, and set automated alerts without coding. Smartsheet integrates with popular apps like Salesforce, Microsoft Teams, and Google Workspace, making it a central hub for both data and communication. It's best for teams that want CRM functionality combined with project management flexibility. If your sales or client tracking requires custom workflows, Smartsheet could be the perfect fit. Subscribe to the channel for more business productivity tool reviews.